Hello, I'm Allie.
And I'm Devin.
We're from the CVR lab.
Woo!
Spring 2019.
Graduating.
Today we're going to go over how to take lactate. So this is the lactate analyzer, and the first thing you're going to do at the start of every week is do your two controls. The controls are two different colors. The blue one is a level 1, which is the low side of the ranges of lactate. And the red one is level 2, which is the higher side of levels of lactate. So to start, you're going to take your analyzer. You're going to press the triangle button until you see this screen. Then you're going to, so at the start of this one it says P5 up there. You're going to go until you see a star and 1. That's your first control. You're then going to take a lactate strip out of the container. It's important to keep the top to the lactate bottle closed and open for as little time as possible. Allows less bacteria and stuff in there. Once you put the strip in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. That says participant 6. So you're going to go until you get Control 1, which is CRL1. And you do that by hitting the play button. You're going to take your control and you're going to drop off the first drop. That's the discarded drop. Then you're going to take your second drop and drop it right into the well on the strip. Like that. You will see the fluid taken up into the well, and the lactate analyzer will beep so that you know that it's gone fully in, and it takes 13 seconds for it to analyze. You then are going to remove the strip and put it in a biohazard waste box, which is up that cabinet. And your screen will look like this. So I got 1.3 for that, which is in the control range, which is 1 to 1.6. You're going to put the strip in the biohazard control box because once there's blood on it, it can be a contaminant for others. So it's important to control those things. So then you're going to take another strip out. You're going to place it in, and this screen's going to come up again. But you're going to hit the play button until you see Control 2, so CRL2. You're going to take your second control, and the first drop is dropped off again. It's a discarded drop, and the second drop goes right into the well. Then you have to wait 13 seconds for the results to come up. So this one was 4.7, which is good because the range is 4.0 to 5.4. You're going to again take this test strip and put it in the discarded biohazard waste. Now that I have my participant Devin here, we're going to show you how to do it when you're with your participant. So first things first, you're going to take a sterile alcohol prep pad. You're going to rip it open. And you're going to take their finger. We typically use the index finger just for ease of access. You're going to wipe it once really well. Let it dry for a few seconds. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but it needs to show signs of drying. And then you're going to do it a second time. Wait for it to dry again. And one last time to make sure that you've got everything on the finger off, including sweat while they're running. Then you're going to take your lancet. These come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. And for your participant, you're going to count down to 1 before you do it. Are you okay?
Yep.
Make sure you're checking in with your participant to make sure that they're okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This also needs to go in the biohazard waste because of the needle, and it has pricked somebody's finger, so it has blood contaminant on it as well. Once you've done that, you can let the finger rest there for a second so that you can get a test strip. You're going to put it into the analyzer, and you're going to hit the play button until you're on participant, whatever number you'd like. It goes up to 9. So we're going to do P0. Then you're going to milk her finger from the top, from the palm down to the finger. The first drop of blood is going to be wiped away so that there's no contaminants in it. And then you're going to milk it until a second drop comes out. You're going to want a decent drop so that when you put the analyzer up to it, you can make sure that it goes fully into the well so that no contaminants are in there, as well as no, you make sure that it gets fully into the well, because if you see an E4 or an E0, it means that there was some sort of error in the blood being taken up into the well. So we got a 1.3, which is normal because she hasn't done a lot of exercise lately, like today. So her lactate level is fairly low. After that, if your participant is running on a treadmill like they are for us, you give them a paper towel to hold to their finger, their forefinger and their thumb, and that way they can continue running. If it's at the end, then you'd put the Band-Aid on them so that they're not bleeding all over the place. And that's it. I'm going to show you one more way of doing alcohol, an alcohol wipe, just in case you run out of alcohol prep pads. I'm going to take this from you. No, I'm not lancing you again. So you have a large piece of gauze and you cut it up into a small piece of gauze, and then you take your bottle of alcohol, put a little on it, a lot goes a long way, and then you take the participant's finger, and it's the same, it's just a little bit of a rougher surface, but it does the same thing. You can have that back. Somebody else can. I think that's it.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!